Hi everyone, today at the Hitch House we are taking a look at a brand new unit from Pleasureway Industries, the 2018 Plateau XLTS. This coach sits on a wide-body Mercedes chassis and is powered by a 3-liter Mercedes turbo diesel engine. On the exterior, you will see a full fiberglass body and a very clean overall look that we love seeing with these Pleasureways. And even with so much room on the inside, you will find 25 cubic feet of exterior storage to tuck away all your gear. The XLTS also features a powered awning, which can retract and extend at the touch of a button. As we move inside the coach, you will be amazed at exactly how modern and bright this motorhome interior is. Complete with Corian countertops, 2-burner stove, and a stainless steel sink, the galley kitchen provides everything you need for preparing meals on the road. The XLTS also features a rear memory foam sofa, which folds down to a huge king bed at the touch of a button. And whether it's the morning news or a late night movie, you will enjoy using the 24-inch LED TV and Blu Ray player. One of the most noticeable features on this wide-body Pleasureway is the inclusion of a gorgeous full-size bathroom, complete with stand-up shower and stainless steel sink. At the front of the XLTS, we have a touchscreen radio entertainment system and ultra-leather captain's chairs which swivel and feature fold-down workstations with USB ports. Staying at the forefront of motorhome technology, Pleasureway has included some awesome features in the XLTS, including touchscreen control panels, 475-watt solar package, and a Winegard Razor digital TV antenna. We hope you think the Plateau XLTS is as awesome as we do, and if you want to check it out yourself or any of our other units, come on down to the Hitch House, just 4 miles north of Barrie. We'd love to see you.